Welcome to Becoming Awesome with Peter D. channeling his sacred higher self.
This enlightened master goes up to a hot dog stand and he orders one with everything. Then his disciple says, "I'll have one with nothing." I'm Peter D, and today we're going to talk about growing young. I was at a house party the other night and I saw this woman I hadn't seen in 15 years, and I was amazed at how young she looked. And I commented to her and she said, "Yeah, Peter, you're growing younger too. It's observable. It's out there. I'm 65 years old." I looked in the mirror and I said, "Wow, you're looking really young." And the mirror just cracked up. But I've been asking Spirit to speak to how it is we stay so young. And today we're going to have 3 important tips that you can use your spirituality to help you youth. Before we do, please add your comments below. What tips are you using? What experiences do you have? Let's discuss it. Now, let's welcome in my sacred higher self. Dearest souls, thank you so much for connecting with us in this moment. The channel Peter has asked us to speak on youthing, the spiritual benefit of being present in your life to allow you to grow younger. And we have 3 suggestions we wish to present to you. Let us begin with the first one. Talk to your body. The channel Peter first heard this when he was listening to the esteemed channel Cryon speak about how your body is alive. You have 1 trillion cells in your body which are conscious. They are alive. They are just you. They're not just chemical sacs. They are part of your reality and they are conscious. And they have agreed to form yourself, your being, so that you can experience life and physicality. But they are just your body. You are the one running it, the management, so to speak. Talk to your body. And if you do this, you're going to start to find that they're going to welcome you. They're going to go, "Yay, finally, the boss is in. Let's connect." So how do you do this? When you're meditating, see your body as alive and bright, and then see yourself speaking to it. You can use a visual, such as in an auditorium, speaking to all the employees of the company or something like that, to help you know that you're connecting, and just start to speak to your body. And first of all, thank it. It's given you life for so long. And then start to talk to it about what you would like and how you would like it to do. The first thing you should do is ask it to reset your clock. This is so important when you talk to your body. Reset your clock. How's that done? Well, your body's used to counting a day and then aging appropriately for that day. Give it new operating instructions, sort of a cheat code. Tell your body that now it's only going to count 1 day after 2 days pass. It's going to slow down your aging because it's now going to count 2 days as 1. It's just like a little hack, and you'll start to slow down as far as your physical deterioration and your aging. The other thing is start to ask your body what it wants and what it needs from you. Get in a relationship with your body as you speak to it so that you're partnering. You're the CEO. You're the one who has to do the things that is going to direct the body to execute your health and longevity. So start to connect to your body and listen to what it needs. Now, this can be done intuitively, or you could practice muscle testing. Muscle testing is a beautiful, simple, easy way to find out what's going on in your body. And there's many people who teach that, including this channel, if you would wish to speak to him in coaching for that particular ability. Ask your body what it needs, what it wants. Peter, when he's present, he always asks about food. He always muscle tests, give me a sign for yes, give me a sign for no. And then he sits there and asks, is this healthy for me to eat now? Is this what you want now, body? He does that at restaurants. He doesn't think what he's in the mood for or what he would like based on flavor. He does it on what his body recommends. And he always gets an incredible meal. He likes to cook, so he does that with each of his ingredients. And this gives him practice many times throughout the day to get better and better at identifying what the body is asking for in each moment. And as he does that, he is then able to create beautiful meals. And he has now gotten to the point where he's walking down the grocery store aisles and he can identify, it'll flash at him, buy this one, not that one. Even things that he would have that he would be used to, sometimes we will give him the message, no, not that. His body will say, not that today. And without getting the reasons, he knows, okay, it maybe is polluted, maybe there was something energetic in it. So he does knows to skip that. And he gets healthier and healthier and gets more in touch with his body. So that is our first bit of advice to you. Speak to your body, reset your clock to slow it down, and then ask it continually what it needs for its own health. Now, the second part in being youthful is clearing your densities. You see, anything fully expressed turns to bliss, but the opposite is when you do not express something fully, it creates a magnetic energy that is dense, that is heavy, and your cells have to hold that. In fact, that's why you age. The channel was shocked when he first read the book's Conversation with God, and he was told, point blank, your body's designed to live forever. And he's like, what? You don't have to die? Yes, you don't have to die. Your body is designed to live forever. This is something you can do. How? You have to clear what is causing the aging. Aging is literally when you do not complete an experience, the energies get dense, and then it creates a residue, a kind of a toxic residue that your body has to hold. And that is what aging is. You have to clear that residue, you get younger, lighter, brighter. So we always speak of this message, clear, clear, clear. And this is a benefit practical in your 3D world where your body gets more youthful because you're not carrying those heavy, dense energies anymore. So clear what it is. And by clear, we mean fully express an emotion. All the sadness you've been holding, the grief, the anger, the pain, let it out. Find ways to do that. Clear, you will become lighter. Think about it. A lot of karma, you go and you clear a past life because something has happened to you repeatedly, time after time. Well, why is that? Well, because you've had these bodies and you just literally dumped the held energy on them. You did not have the full experience of whatever the emotion was because it was painful at the time. So your body had to carry it. What did it do? It died. And then you get a new body and you just ride it like a horse into the ground until it exhausts and dies. Then you get a new body. And that's what this cycle of reincarnation has been for many of you. You can end that by keeping this body healthy. And then you choose when to leave. And you no longer carry the karma of just having dumped the incomplete experience on your body. Your body loves you. It's been there. Once you make the contact with it, as we first suggested, you're going to start to have that connection, and it's going to be so grateful that it no longer has to carry this alone anymore. The third important thing that we wish to tell you, laugh. It's not just clear the density out, raise your vibration up. And the easiest way to do that is to laugh. You should be laughing every day. Make it a point to practice laughter. That is why the channel decided he's going to start every one of his videos now on with a joke. It was funny. He was telling us, he says, we need to be more animated when we talk. And we told him, Peter, it's not us who's holding back the excitement in these videos. It was a wake-up call. So if you can just bring laughter into your life, you'll find that as you practice it, first it will be forced. There are things like laughter yoga or different things you do to get yourself into the mood of laughing. And as you do that and you become regular with it, you come into a higher platform and a higher vibrational frequency. And with that higher vibrational frequency, you're just going to be lighter. And of course, your body then is younger because it's not processing the held toxins. You'll be able to clear easier. And you'll get the benefit of not only feeling good, but feeling good longer. Just practice that laughter. And it's very, very funny because the channel Peter, he was a dour individual for most of his life. He could go weeks or months or even years and just be in a state of sadness. And now he finds that that's infrequent. It happens, but it's infrequent. And he can then shift, just like changing the channel on TV by clicking a button. He can shift by saying, okay, I want to get into laughter. Let me watch a program. He uses programs as his laughter medicine. And he watches something. And even if it's stupid or silly or he judges it, within a few moments, he's then into the laughter. And he is now lighter and brighter and happier. So laugh. We wish to thank you for spending this time with us. We hope that what we give you helps you. We know that those of you who receive this will connect to the energetic vibration because it is not just words we are giving you now, but also a sense of the possibility and the reality that you can have in experiencing this. We are so grateful to be in this connection with you. Stay blessed. Wow. Wow. That's all I got to say is that my sacred higher self is really, as I asked it to come through with more excitement, it certainly is. So we hope you got an answer to your question today about how to use spirituality as a tool to live longer. The three things that were covered was talk to your body. And as you talk to your body, make sure, one, you instruct it to slow down the clock, count 2 for every 1. Go 2 days before it counts 1. 2, ask your body constantly what it needs. Practice muscle testing. I can do a coaching session with you. They're by donations. Don't worry if money's an issue. Okay, to help you get in touch with your muscle testing abilities. Talk to your body so you can get this kind of guidance. The second major thing is clearing. And yeah, can't carry that heaviness, right? So if you don't have a clearing program, if you're not doing your shadow work, clearing out the ancestral lineages or the densities you find yourself in, again, my wife and I, we offer those. And the last session, and that's by donation as well. And the last tip was laugh, 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 laugh. I'm going to be doing a free laughter yoga every week on our Patreon page. So if you join the Becoming Awesome community, with the links are below, every Tuesday, you can light it up with a little laughter. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to this video. It'll help a lot. More importantly, share it. If there's somebody you want to talk to or has some interest in becoming younger, share the video with them. Add your comments below because this is a conversation here. You're going to develop these skills. You're going to have experiences and wisdom and tips to share. Please, let's put them in the comments. Thank you so much for being with me and me being with you. It's an honor to be able to share with you. Stay blessed.